What's going on mga boys? What's going on YouTube? So for today's episode, I'm going to unbox this Kiepe Rivale cordless. So this was requested by Makio. So Makio, shout out to you brother. Thank you for watching all the unboxing and still waiting for the unboxing of this Kiepe Rivale. So okay, as you can see, this one comes with a white box. So Kiepe Professional is very consistent to the design of their box. So it's very simple, white box with a picture of their product. So this one is the Kiepe Rivale. Okay, so let's check the box here. So at the side you will see 5 magnetic guide combs here. So you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a single magnet. So this is the back side of this box. You will see the Kiepe logo, a registered brand Kiepe and company. So you have the voltage here. It's 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 with 7 watts. Engineered in Italy, made in China under license of Kiepe SR. So it's a professional rechargeable hair clipper working with cord and cordless. So it has a high power DC motor, long lasting, 120 to 150 minutes usage, and a fast charging lithium battery for 45 to 60 minutes charging time. So this is the packaging. As you can see, they are very well arranged here inside. So you have the clipper, oil, brush, charger, and the guide combs. Let's check the guide combs of this. So you have again 5 magnetic, single magnetic guide combs. Okay, that looks good. Actually they include this free. This is the 0.5 and this is the 1.5 guard. So it's either you use the small comb or the large or the long tooth guide combs. So this is the clipper. Look at this. So this is actually a wall magic clip replica. Okay, I don't have wall magic clip anymore because I already sold it actually. So this is my wall senior. So wall senior is definitely heavier than this Kiepe Rivale. So magic clip is also heavier than this one. This is very light clipper. So this comes with a fade blade. Look at this. Okay, and with a very thin cutter blade, just like all Kiepe brands. Okay, they have this cutter blade. So let's check the teeth of this. Okay, so this is the cutter blade of this Kiepe Rivale. So this is the Kiepe Rivale actually. Okay, they have the same tooth, but this one is a gold plated cutter blade, and the Rivale has a silver cutter blade, but they're the same. So in compared to the blade of Kiepe Rivale, so Kiepe Rivale has a logo. This is actually a DLC blade, and this comes with a plain silver blade, but they have the same tooth actually. Okay, they are both fade blade. Okay, let's check the range of this. So you can actually zero up this as close as you want. So let's check the range of this lever. Okay, that's very standard. So let's check the RPM of this clipper. So this clipper is running at 5,000 RPM only. So Kiepe Rivale is running at 5,000 RPM. This is slower than Magic Clip. So Magic Clip is running 5,500 to 5,700. But this one, this is not a replacement for Magic Clip. So this is very cheap actually. It comes, how much is this? 40 euro? 40 to 50 euro. So Magic Clip is worth 120 to 150 euro. But for home use, I don't like this for professional use actually. So this is a very slow clipper, but I don't know if you are working in barbershop, so you might want to get a very fast clipper. I mean, a fast clipper, a decent clipper. So the standard Magic Clip blade has a very deep tooth. So in comparison, side by side, so still all Magic Clip blade has a thinner blade in compared to this Kiepe Rivale. This is the Kiepe. So I will show you some haircuts after using this. Then I will tell you if this is worth for the money or not. So this is the unboxing video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Some Pizza Happy Barber signing out.